15, 15 twos are 30, 45, 60, then you have 75. Like this, you have 90, for example. Okay, you can go on further. Getting it now? There will come a time, like for example, you'll be having 13 tens are 130 also, right? 13 elevens are 143. Getting it? Or then you'd be having 195 also. 13 15s are 195. Similarly, here you'd be having 15 6 are 90, 15 sevens are 105. Like this, you will continue, and there you'd be having a number like 195 also. Like 15 13s are 195. So what we observe here, like the number 195 is a multiple of both the number, which is common for both of them. Say for example, you have other numbers, smaller numbers like 3 and 4. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, like this. 4 ones are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and so on. So which two numbers are the common multiple of 3 and 4? Which numbers are the multiple of 3 and 4, which is common? We have 12. So 12 is a common multiple of both the number 3 and 4. So hope you have understood this simple concept. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, now. So first of all, write the definition of common multiples. So you'd be explaining it that
Done.
a number that can be divided exactly by two or more different numbers. A number that can be divided exactly by two or more different numbers. What do I mean to say? See this number 195, which is a common multiple of 13 and 15. So it is a common multiple of 13 and 15. The reason being that it can be divided by the number 13 and 15 both. Same is the case with the number 12 also. It's a common multiple. Also, it can be divided exactly by the number 3 and 4. Or say for example, take another numbers like this. Take the example of like the number 3, 4, and 6. Quickly tell me the multiples of 3, 4, and 6. Tell me the first 5 multiples of 3. Yes. 3 ones are 3. Then be quick. 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. Okay. We have written 6 multiples here. Then 4 ones are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, then 24. 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, then 18, then 24, then 30, like this. Okay. So here, which is a common multiple of the three numbers of the number 3, 4, and 6?
12.
Here we have got the common
12.
factor, common multiple as 12. Very good. So 12 is there. Okay. Further, if we were to extend it further also, so 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24 also. So now we have one more common multiple, that is
24.
24. Getting it? So 24 is also a multiple here. So the numbers 12 and 24, they are the common multiples of 3, 4, and 6. Also, it is a number that can be divided exactly by 3, 4, or 6. It can be divided by 2 or more than 2 numbers. Got this now? So write down this definition and do let me know once you are done.
Hello, sir.
Yes, Sumaya, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, Sumaya, right now we have started this topic, common multiple. So you also give the heading, and so far what we have learned that, Habib, you have already understood this, so you keep on writing while I'm explaining this to Sumaya. So Sumaya, what we learned that, say for example, you have a number 13 and 15, and these are the given multiples of the numbers. Okay, now these are some of the multiples. So we see that the number, like for example, 195, which is a multiple of 13, and 195 is a multiple of 15 also. So we say that it's a common multiple of the number 13 and 15. Okay, understood that now. Or for example, you have number 3 and 4. So we have written the multiples of the number 3 and 4, and here the multiple 12 is a common multiple of both the numbers. Getting it? Also,
Yes.
in the above example, in this example, the number 195 is divisible by 13 and it is divisible by 15 also. Like we can check that also. Okay. Yes, Habib and Sumaya, both of you, stop what you're doing and divide the number 195 by 30. Divide it quickly. Do let me know what answer you guys will be getting. Yes, what answer you guys are getting? Okay.
Okay, sir. Done.
What answer you are getting? Is it divisible by the number 13?
Yes.
In
I got
13,
question
it's
105.
50. 50 for me.
What answer you are getting, Sumaya?
50.
15. And Habib,
105 question.
how can it be 105? How is that even possible? See, 13 ones are 13. Subtract this, it would be 6. Bring down the number 5. 13 fives are 65. And this is cancelled, and in the remainder you have 0. The number is 15 now. So the question is 15. So the number 13 in the 195 is exactly divisible by 13. Okay. And this is divisible by 15 also. Like when you divide the number 195 by 15, the 15 ones are 15. Subtract this, you have 45. 15 threes are 45. Then you see that the number 195 is divisible by 15 too. So the common multiple is divisible here, and it is divisible by both of them. We just saw that the common multiple 195 is divisible by both of them. It is divisible by 13 and it is divisible by 15 also. Same is the case with 12 also. 12 can be divided by 3 and 4 both. Okay. One more thing, like one more example we had taken 3 examples here, 3 numbers here. 3, 4, and 6. So thereby the multiples are 12 and 24. There can be many more multiples. We have just taken 2 of them. So this number 24, which is a common multiple, it is divisible by it is exactly divisible by the number 3, 4, and 6. Okay. Now? So thereby we say that common multiple is a number that can be divided exactly by 2 or more different numbers. It's a number that can be divided exactly by two or more different numbers, like this 195 is divisible by the number 13 and 15. There can be some more numbers also, like by which other number it will be multiplied, it will be divisible. Apart from 13 and 15, 195, is it divisible by any other number? Think of it. What about 5? Yes. And what about 3? Guys, do tell me, will it be a common multiple of 5 or 3 or not?
It will be.
It will be, no?
Yes.
So when you write down the multiples of 3, so thereby you will find 195 is also a multiple of 3. Getting it? Like 3 times 65. That is how much? That is 195.
Yes.
So yes, 195 is a multiple of 3 also. Okay. 5 times how much? 5 times 39. That will be 195, isn't it? So yes, when you write the multiples, when you start to write the multiples from 5, you will get 5 times 39 as 195. So a given number 195, here we see that it is multiple of it will be a multiple of different numbers. It is a multiple of 13, it is a multiple of 15, and it's a multiple of 5 and 3 also. So thereby it's a common multiple. Both of you understood this or not? Getting it now?
Yes.
Okay. So first of all, write down the definition. Let me just erase the extra things I have drawn here.
Sir, what do I write here?
The definition, this definition. This definition.
Sir, I thought we wrote that.
No, it's common multiple. For the common multiple, we haven't noted the definition yet.
Mhm. But for me, it's written here.
It's written already.
The
Again.
definition. The one that's written in the blue.
Okay, how
Sir?
can that be? Yes, Abhi.
Can I drink water, Anika?
Yeah, sure. So common multiples are basically the numbers that can be divided exactly by two or more different numbers. Furthermore, also this common multiple is being shared by a given set of numbers. Like this is a multiple of the number 3, 5, 13, and 15. All 4 of them. Got this now? So
Sir,
here it is
do
being
I-
shared by these numbers. Yes?
Sir, do I write the one that's in the orange too?
No need to write that down. Okay. So here, I hope that topic is clear to both of you. This is a multiple that is common to 2 or more than 2 numbers. That is basically common multiple in simple terms. And the question comes, how to find the common multiples? So that is very easy. So let us learn about this, how to find the common multiples.
Sir, after this, can you give us some questions of we have to write some questions. We have to write the answer.
Yeah,
of
sure.
common.
We would be doing some questions on common factors, common multiples. Sure. So to find the common multiples for a given set of numbers, first you need to list all the multiples of the given number. Say, for example, you want to find the common multiple of 20, 40, and let's say you want to find the common multiple of 60. For these 3 numbers, you want to find what are some of the common multiples. Okay, now? So you will start by writing the common multiples of the number. So 20 ones are 20. Then you have 22s are 40, like this. And so on, it will continue up to infinity. Then write the multiple of 40. What are the multiples of 40? Yes, Sumaya? Yes, Habib, multiples of 40. Write down the multiples of 40.
No, we have to write three of them.
No, you have to write up to 6 or 7 of them.
No, I didn't understand what to write.
Just like we wrote down the multiples of 20 here. So Habib
Sir,
and
can I
Sumaya,
tell?
yeah,
Ones are 40, 42s are 80, 43s are 120, 14 and 4s are 160,
Hmm.
14 5s are 200, 14 46 are 240 and
14 sevens are
47 are 280,
Hmm.
40 48 are 320.
like this. We can
And
continue further.
yeah,
Right. Okay, Sumaya, you tell the factors. Tell the multiples of 60.
At the table of 50, right?
Basically, table of 60.
Okay. 61s are 60 and 62s are 120
Hmm.
and 63s are 180.
Hmm.
64s are 240. 65s are 300. 66 are 360.
Like this, we can continue, right? Okay. So here we have written all you have written some of the multiples. Okay, but our aim is to find the multiples which are common to all of them. So clearly we can notice here, like the number 40, it's a common multiple of all. It's a common multiple for 20 and 40, but is it a common multiple of 60?
so 120 is
No.
120 is common multiple.
So the first one that is common multiple that you see over here is 120. Very good, Habib. So therefore 120 is the first common multiple. Getting it now?
Yes.
Let us see, is this one. Apart from 120, are there going to be other common multiples? Of course, yes, we'd be having. Okay. Although it is not mentioned in this one, like for example, after 120, say if we were to write down one more here, after 160, what is another multiple of 20? It would be 180, isn't it? We can increase it to 200 also, 220, like this.
240.
Hmm.
Is it 240?
240. No, before that you would be having, see if there is possible to have some other
200.
240. So let us increase this to 240 here. So after 120, you'd be having another one, like 140 is not a common multiple of all of them.
240.
So thereby you directly have
is
240. Very good. The 240 here, here, and here as well. So like this, you can find the common multiples, and it is very easy. It is not that difficult. So I'm giving you guys some numbers. You have to find the common multiples of those given numbers.
so do we, both of us has to do that one question only?
No, I
Or
would be
like both of us to
giving
do
you guys
separate
separate questions. Okay, no?
Okay.
I'm going to give you the separate questions. Okay. So here, the question number 3, you guys have to at least find 5 common multiples. Write down the 5 common multiples of 3 and 7. So who would do this one? One of you pick this question. Who would like to do this question?
I will write.
Okay, good. Now, Habib, you write down the 5 common multiples of 5 and the number 3. Not 3, let us take a different number.
So this is like the same question we did like before this, right?
This one. Before,
The
like we
question
were,
that you did.
yeah, same thing has to be done here. Nothing different.
So you gave me hard and you gave her easy.
No, it's not that difficult. It's not that difficult, Habib.
So we have to just write only the first 5 common multiples.
Exactly. Only the first 5 common multiples.
Done.
Done. Very good. What are the first common multiples of 5 and 15 you are getting?
Mm. First common multiple 15.
Okay. Next.
Mm. Only this much.
Only this much. You have to find the first 5 common multiples, no? See, that was not that difficult.
Wait, I'm doing it.
Okay. Yes, Sumia, what about you?
What I'm still doing it.
Okay, okay. Abhi, first of all, write down the multiples of 15. Okay, now. See, actually, yours is more easy. Question that I gave you, that one is actually more easy than the question that has been given to Sumaya. Yes, anyone done?
Wait.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm done.
Yes, Habib, what is your answer?
First one 15, then second one 30, then third one 45, then fourth one 60, then fifth one 65, 75.
75. Yeah. So was it that difficult? No, it is actually
No.
easy right now. So you just had to write the first 5 multiples of 15. That was your answer. Okay, now also you could have written you should have written the multiples of 5 also. We have to write 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 right now. Then you have 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay, so here you are getting these are the common multiples of the two. Namely, first one is 15. Then you have 30. Then you have 45, 60. Then you have 75, like that. Okay, Sumaya.
For me, it's showing only two common multiples I found only.
Okay, no worries. Whenever you have like this, first of all, write down the multiples of the bigger number, first of all. So 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21. Right? Read the table of 7.
Yes. 7 ones are 7, then 7 twos
After
are 14,
42.
then 21, then 7 fours are, then 7 fours are 26, then 7 fives are 35,
28,
then
7 fours are 28.
28.
Then 7
Then
fives are 35.
35, then 7 6 are 42, then 7 sevens are 49, then 7 8s are 56, then 7 9s are 63, then 7 sevens are 7.
Then after this, 77, 84,
Then 84, then 91.
91. Then
Then
98.
I don't see.
You simply have to add 7 at each step. Then you have 105. Getting it. Then you have 112, 119. Then 126, 133, 140, 147. Getting it. Like this, you can continue. Okay, so we have enough numbers of multiples of 7. Okay, now 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, you have 18, you have 21, you have 24, 27, 30 is there, 33 is there, 36 is there, 39 is there, 42 is there. Getting it. 45, you have 48, you have 51, you have 54, you have 57, 60 is there, 63 is there, 66, you have 69, like this. Okay. Now what you had to find how many? 5 common multiples. Okay. So the first one is which one? Which is the first common multiple? Look over here.
For me, it's showing 21.
21. That is actually correct. 21 is the first common multiple. Yes, Habib, you also pay attention. Okay. After 21, also there's a small hint I would like to give here. Like whatever, whichever, which the multiples of 7, which will be divisible by 3, which it will be common.
Second multiple is 42.
Second multiple is 42. Very good.
42.
Yeah.
Okay, now because 42 is divisible by 3. So pick out all those which are divisible by 3. Just like here when Habib wrote down the multiples of 15. So all the multiples of 15 were divisible by 5 also. Remember the
Yes.
property. What did the definition says? A number that can be divided exactly by 2 or more different numbers. Right now, so 195 is divisible by all these numbers. Right? So whatever common multiples you will find here, it would be divisible by all both of them. The 28, it's not divisible by it. 35, not divisible by 3. 42 is divisible by 3, right? What happened to this pen? So this is also common. Next, after 42, which is divisible by 3, find it out. Sumaya, is 49 divisible by 3?
49. Okay, wait.
No.
Let me check.
No. No. Okay. 56?
Okay. 56, no.
No. 63?
63.
Three.
No.
63.
Yes, it is divisible now. You can check that.
Yes.
3 21s are 63. So circle this one. Okay. So how many multiples we have so far? 3. Okay. Now? Okay. Next, 70. Is it divisible by 3? No.
No.
77? Also no. What about
No.
84?
84.
Think about this carefully. What about this one? Is it divisible?
By 3, right?
I guess 84 is divisible.
See, I'm giving you one small hint. See, any number, it will be divisible by 3 if the sum of the digit is divisible by 3. Say, for example, 63. How do we know that it is divisible by 3? 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 63 is also divisible by 3. Okay. Or say, for example, 183. Let's say you don't know whether it is divisible by 3. Habib, sit properly. What are you doing? So you have the number 183. You want to find out whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So add the digits 1 plus 8 plus 3. So the sum is 12. 12 is divisible by 3 or not? Yes, Sumaya, Habib. 12 is divisible by 3 now. So if the sum of the digits of any number is divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. So whatever number gives you a result which will be divisible by 3, then the whole number will be divisible by 3. Like 2 plus 1, it was 3. It was divisible. The number 21 is divisible by 3. 4 plus 2 is 6. It is divisible by 3. 6 plus 3 is 9, divisible by 3. Okay, like that you can do this. 8 plus 4 is 12. Yes or no? The 12 is divisible by 3 now. So the whole number 84 will be divisible by 3. You guys are actually getting it? Please let me know.
Yes, I am.
Yes, I'm getting it.
Good.
I thought
Then
84 is divisible and it's divisible.
good. So far we had 4 common multiples. Good. Then what about the number 91? Simply add 9 and 1. Is it
9.
divisible by 3 then? No. 10 is not divisible by 3, no? Okay, what about 98?
8. No, no.
No. Sum of 9 and 8 is
16.
17. 1 7 17. And 17 is not divisible by 3. Okay, what about 105? This one is interesting.
Yes, 105 is divisible.
Yes.
Right now, so 105 is divisible. So this is the 5th multiple which we had right now. So if without even writing all the multiples of 3, we are able to find the common multiples. Getting it now? So the common multiples of the first 5 common multiples of 3 and 7 are as follows. We have 21, 42, 63, 84, and 105. Is that clear to both of you?
Yes.
So hope you guys understood that. One moment. Okay. Now let us learn about least common multiple. Right? Give the topic least common multiple. Also in short, it is written as LCM. Okay. Say, give any 2 or 3 numbers.
8, 5, 2.
8 and 5 and 2.
2.
2. Okay, good. Okay, multiples of 8 are 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 fours are 32, 8 fives are 40, 8 sixes are 48, like this. Multiples of 5s are 5 ones are 5, 10, then you have 15, you have 20, you have 25, you have 30, 35, 40, like this, right? Then multiples of 2 will be 2 ones are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10,
Question.
12. Yes? Not a question. Just look at it. Okay, no?
No, question.
Yeah. What is the question?
I didn't understand in the first one that how will we know, like, after writing the common multiples, how will we know if there is more common multiples than greater?
Okay. There, like we could have written many more common multiples also. Like for 8, we could have written beyond 48 also. Okay, na? But here I am not writing it down because if you were to look at the multiples of them, just let me put it into charge. Look at the multiples of 8, 5, and 2. Find the first multiple which is common in all of them. Is 8 a
First,
common multiple for all of them? No.
8.
16? No. 24? No. Neither. 32? Neither. But 40. So 40 is a common multiple, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Can there have been a multiple greater than 40? Can we have a multiple greater than 40?
Yes.
Of course we can have. Okay, na?
Yes.
But then what you find over here, so what do we observe about 40? So 40 is the least common multiple. It's the smallest number which is a common multiple of the number 8, 5, and 2. They would be having some bigger numbers also. Getting it? For example, 80 is also a common multiple of 8, 5, and 2. 8 tens are 80. 5 16s are 80. 2 40s are 80. So 80 is also a common multiple of the number 8, 5, and 2. Getting it, guys?
Yeah.
But what a special thing we have observed about the number 40, that 40 is the smallest common multiple of the two number. It's the smallest common multiple of the two number that you see over here. 40 over here, here, and here. Or take some smaller numbers, take some other numbers. Like we can take numbers like 2, 3, and 4. The common multiples of 2, 3, and 4 are as follows. The number multiples are as follows: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like this. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, like this. Or you have 4, you have 8, you have 12, you have 16, 20, like this. Okay. Which is the first common multiple? First common multiple.
is 12.
12.
Good. We could have written some more, like we'd be having 14 also, we'd be having 16, 18, 20, 22 would be
16, I
also
guess,
there,
no.
24. Okay. You could be having 18 also would be there, 21, 24, 27, like this you can continue. After
For me, I guess it's 24 is
24.
the next
24.
one.
24, good. Very good. So you'd be having 24, 28, 32, 36, like this, many more. So the common multiples are as follows. The first one, as you guys told me, that is 12, and that is correct.
Well,
Okay.
then
Next,
24.
Then 24.
then you have 24. Very good.
24.
Okay. So out of the two, which one is smaller? Which one is lowest, least?
12.
12.
12, no? So 12 is the least common multiple, of 2, 3, and 4. Got this?
Yeah.
So that is what least common multiple means, also in short written as LCM. So hope that is clear to both of you. Is it?
Yes.
Okay. No? So now write down the definition. Yes? You're saying something? Write down the definition of LCM. First give this topic. Okay. So LCM basically stands for least common multiple. So least common multiple of two or more than two number is the smallest number that is multiple of all of them. The least common multiple of a number is the smallest number that is a multiple of two or more than two numbers. Write down the definition, then I will be giving you some questions to solve.
Done.
Done?
Yes.
Done.
Okay, Sumaya, what about you?
Yes, done.
Good. Find out the LCMs of the given number. Find the LCM of 3, 7, and 9. You guys know the method, right? What you have to do. Previously, we have learned about the highest common factor also. And right now we are learning about the lowest common multiple. Okay. Na? By the way, there is no, we don't learn about highest common multiple because there is no such thing as highest common multiple. Because since multiples itself are unlimited, so then how can we have a highest common multiple if the number is unending? What I'm trying to say, understanding what I'm trying to say. Like the multiples, for example, the multiples of the number 3, 7, and 9. Is there any into it? It is infinite. Huh?
Yes.
It is infinite. So thereby, you can't have the highest common multiple, but you can have the lowest common multiple. But what could be the highest common multiple of the three numbers? There is no end to that.
So I guess I found it.
Found it or not?
I guess the answer is 63.
63. And that is correct. Very good, Sumaya. Very good. Habib, what about you?
I'm doing.
Okay. Whenever we have such a question, just start by writing the multiples of the bigger number, first of all. Okay. Usually you can start from the smaller number also, but I'm giving you a hint. Just start writing the multiples of this. Like this, we have written sufficient number of multiples of 9.
So we have to find least common multiple, right?
Least common multiple, right?
So I got the answer 63.
63, very good. Right now, so 63 is common multiple of 9 and 7. So here, and we know that 63 comes in the table of 3 also. 3 times 21, 3 times 21 is 63. So yes, it would be later on, it would be 63 also. Since there is not sufficient space, so we are writing 63 directly here. Okay. So 63 is the least common multiple of the two of these three given numbers. So hope that is clear to both of you. Okay. Solve one more question. I'm giving you guys one more question to solve. Okay. So by using this, by finding out the multiple, just like you solve this question, find out the multiples of the first common multiple of 4, 10, and 12.
We have to write the least common multiple
You have to find the least common multiple.
of 4, 10, and 12.
4, 10, and 12.
Sir, found it.
Yes.
Sir,
Hmm.
found it.
What is it?
It's for me, it's on 60.
Very good. Habib,
60.
what about you?
We're doing
Okay. Since you have done it, you also you have to solve it also, Habib. Then you, Sumaya, find the multiple of an LCM of another number. You find the LCM of this number. You can take 7, 14, and 21.
Okay.
Habib, done?
I got the answer 60.
60, very good. First of all, you will write the multiples of the bigger number, as I told you. That will be helping you. 12 ones are 12, 24, 36. Ultimately, you'll be having 60. And 10 6 are also 60. And 4 15s are 60. So 16 is a least common multiple of the three numbers. Okay. Sumaya, what about the second question? So, Habib, you also try the second question. Find the LCM of 7, 14, and 21.
I got the LCM, I guess. Wait. Yeah. Wait. Almost done. Wait.
Okay.
The found the LCM.
Hmm. What is the LCM?
42.
Very good. Okay, no, that is in fact correct. So 21 ones are 21, 21 twos are 42, 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 7 ones are 7, 14 and 21, 28, 35, then you have 42. So the least common multiple you can clearly observe you have 42. That is the LCM. In short, we can write this as LCM.
Sir, I
So
also got 42.
you also got 42? Very good. So hope that is clear to both of you. Okay, now. Now there are a few other things we should be learning. Like there are other ways also using which you can find the LCM. Okay, now there are different other ways using which you can find the LCM. But before we do that, let us learn about some of the concepts. For example, we can find like first of all, let us learn about the prime factors of a number. For example, let us learn about the prime factors. So, for example, you have a given number 15, for example. So 15 can be represented as the product of two prime numbers. 15 can be represented like this. It can be written as 3 times 5, isn't it? No, first of all, understand this concept.
Okay.
By the way, give the heading prime factors, okay? Now,
Prime practice.
prime factors.
Factor.
Not prime factors, but give the heading prime factorization. Okay, now prime factorization. So you have a number, say for example, number is 15. So the 15 can be written as the product of two prime numbers 3 and 5. Isn't 3 and 5 aren't they the prime numbers? Right? So 3 and 5, they are prime numbers, and also can't we call them as prime factors? The number 3 and 5, they are the factors. Of course, the number 3 and 5 is the factor of 15. Both of you agree to this, right? Okay. Are they prime numbers? Is 3 a prime number? Is 5 a prime number, Habib? Have you guys forgot the definition of prime number? Habib, where did you went? Stay in the class. Don't go here and there. Yes, Sumaya, what about you?
That's not the question.
My question to you is that, see, you have a number 15, okay? The number 15 can be written as the product of the number 3 and 5. 3 times 5, okay? 3 and 5, both of them are the factor of the number 15, isn't it?
Yes.
So they are the factor, okay? Are they prime numbers?
Yes.
Yes.
So can we call them as prime factor? Prime factors of 15?
Yes.
We can call them now? Okay.
Yes.
Say for example, you have a number. Let's take a number like 36. So 36 can be written as 4 times 9, okay? 4 can be further written as 2 times 2, okay? 9 can be written as 3 times 3. Okay, now circle whatever you have at the end. This 2 and 2 and this 3 and 3.
You have to write this?
No, you guys would be writing this in the next class. Right now I'm just explaining this, okay?
Okay.
So the number 36 can be written as 4 times 9. 4 can be further broken down into the factor 2 and 2. 2 times 2. 9 can be further written as 3 times 3. 3 multiplied 3. Now here you the number 2 and the number 3 are they not prime numbers? Yes. So the number 36, can we write this as 2 times 2 multiplied 3 times 3? Yeah, originally
Yeah.
it was written as 4 times 9. Hmm. Later on the 4 was broken like 2 times 2. 9 is broken in the form of 3 multiplied 3. So we can write it like this now. Okay, or also these are the prime numbers now. These are the
Yeah.
prime factors of the given number 36. So this whole thing is called as prime factorization, which we have learned right now, where you find the factors, but specifically you find the prime factors of the given number. You have found out the prime factors of the number. Getting it now? So that is factorization of the number. Specifically, here you have represented the number as a product of the prime numbers. So prime factorization is representation of a okay, it is a representation of a number as a product of prime numbers. Do one thing, write down this definition. My pen unfortunately is stopped working. I'm telling you guys, write the definition. It is a representation of a number as a product of prime numbers.
Sir, can you repeat again?
Here I have written that it is a representation of a number as a product of prime numbers. That is what I have
Sir.
written here. Done, both of you?
Yeah.
So that's
Do I
it.
leave?
Yeah, you guys can leave.
Sir, I'm not done.
Yeah, you continue.
Wait.
Sir, I'm done. Can I leave?
Yes.